How to download a Canva image in high quality. To show you this, I've prepared this photo of a dancer right here. I'm gonna go to the top right corner to export it by clicking on share, and I'm gonna click down here where it says download, and now I want to choose a file type like JPEG. This will give me the option to change the size and the quality of the image. If I drag the size slider all the way to the right, it will change the size of the image. As you can see here, if that's our 1 coefficient, if I drag it all the way here to 2, that means the picture became twice as big. Now for the quality, I can choose between small, medium, and large. Here you can see the percentage of that. In this case, 100%. Once you're done with that, you can click download, and that's it. And that's how you download a image in high quality in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.